What is up, Billy? Miss Blue here, and I'm here with French and French the cat.
Ah, bonjour, je m'appelle Sylvia.
Okay, calm down there, Frenchie. Okay, Sylvester. Okay, we ain't in France. You need to sit your little French butt down. Seriously. All right. Anyway, y'all. So, today we done showed up for this toy box thingy, and we didn't realize ain't no toy box. It's a lamp.
It's the magic lamp, no?
I don't know. Hey Sylvia, you think you want to go rub it?
Yeah, like Aladdin.
Whoa!
Sacre bleu!
It's a blue man.
Like you, blue.
Yeah, that's me in tiny form, I think.
Le bleu.
Can y'all even see this? I think some of y'all even wearing glasses in the audience. I still can't see this. Look, I'm so close to it. Dang.
It is the genie.
It's a genie.
Yeah, from Aladdin.
So we got 3 wishes, don't we?
Oh, yeah, sacre bleu, that's right.
I would like, excuse me, back. I would like.
So here it is, the Lego toy of the genie from Aladdin.
Whoa. Like Lego my ego? Oh, yeah, you got waffles?
Well,
You got some waffles? Well,
like the toy of Lego.
oh, like them bricks that you be putting together. Snap,
Oh,
crack, crack.
oui.
Crack, snap.
It's all in the lamp.
Yeah. Can y'all even see this? This thing is microscopic.
Yeah, and it's blue and he's got the red little band on his back.
He got a belly on him. Look at that belly.
Yeah,
He got a little baby genie in his belly.
It's crazy to me. Alright, Sam, Sacre bleu! Where does that blue alien go?
Life is your restaurant and I'm your maitre d'. Tell me what it is you want, cause you ain't never had an alien like me. Little kitty cat.
Are you having really fun there?
I'm having a blast.
I hope you enjoyed this toy box review, and be sure to subscribe to Zombie Ham's channel.
Yeah, and do not forget to share this video with all your aunties, your ancestors, and that dude that owes you money.
Yeah,
He said,
the genie! Ah!
Dang, you sound like a dying dolphin. Seriously, girl, what's wrong with your pipes? Get them clean.
You get your attitude readjustment, you little alien.
You touch me again, we gonna have a problem up in here, little cat.
Well, you need to learn the manners.
You need to learn how to speak the English. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching again. Hope y'all enjoy it. And I'm out of here. Deuces.
I'm gonna play with the genie